Hello, my name is Rickard, and in this tutorial, I want to talk about mood lines in design. Have you ever thought about how a simple line can convey a mood? As the famous artist Paul Klee said, a drawing is simply a line going for a walk. Since the earliest cave drawings, artists have used lines to convey different moods, from circular lines to convey softness, and vertical lines to convey a sense of heroism, an upward slant to convey optimism, a downward slant to convey pessimism. In the book Landscape Architecture, designer John Simmons listed out 48 lines and the moods that each one conveys. And while it is the best reference I've found on the subject, and the one I was given 20 years ago when I first started in graphic design, a big issue I had is that lines don't easily translate to actual artwork, especially when you're a beginner. But the more I used these lines, the more intuitive they became. And now, after 2 decades, I use these mood lines in the same way I use color harmony, shape language, balance, grids, and the other fundamental tools of design. The truth is that mood lines can be integrated into every aspect of your design. For instance, the stable mood line can be used in your layout, photography, composition, and even your font selection. One common mood line is the vertical line, which signifies noble, dramatic, inspirational, aspiring. You'll see this in many movie posters, like the one for Interstellar and a lot of superhero films. You can also use mood lines as a contrast to tell a story. A great example is using the mood line of structural, solid, strong in a poster for the World Trade Center film. But you also see this same mood line in the Godfather poster, or even in digital matte paintings where the artist wants to convey a sense of structural strength. If you're designing a brand and want it to have a feminine feel, on the other hand, you would probably want to stay away from structural and instead look at the mood lines that relate to soft or tender. In order to make these easier to understand, I've put together an ebook with all 48 of the mood lines and more than 100 examples so that you can see how these lines translate to actual designs and artwork. To get it, just click the link in the description, enter your email, and I'll send you the full ebook for free. It's a fantastic resource for any designer, photographer, or artist. Mood lines are a powerful tool that can be used to convey a wide range of emotions and ideas in your designs. By understanding the different moods that each line conveys, you can use them to create designs that are both visually appealing and emotionally resonant. So the next time you're working on a design project, don't forget to consider the mood lines you're using. They can make all the difference. Now, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's your favorite mood line, and how do you use mood lines in your own designs? If you tell me yours, I'll tell you mine. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more design tips and tutorials. I'll see you next time.